Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix audio unavailable on Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, this might be, or in most cases, it is a software glitch in the Instagram app itself. In that case, you're going to need to do a couple of different things. If you can fix it yourself, then I do recommend you contact Instagram, make a report on the issue you're having, send them a report, and after a few days, they should try and fix it for your account if it's your account that's been affected. However, more than likely, it's going to be your device. So what you're going to need to do, of course, check that your internet connection is good. If everything is good with that, then you can do a couple of different things. You can try updating your Instagram app. Just go into your app marketplace for your system and make sure that you don't have update here and you only have the option to open. If it's updated or if it's outdated, it might cause problems, so you can try updating it and that should fix it. Other than that, you can go into your storage in your app's settings and locate Instagram, and you can clear the data if you want to completely wipe everything and restart Instagram to what it was like when you first installed it, or you can go ahead and clear the cache, which might also be corrupted and might be causing you problems. If that's not the case, then you can try always reinstalling the Instagram app. Maybe try installing a previous version, simply because new versions might have some glitches that might be incompatible with your device or something like that, and they might be causing you issues. So installing a previous version might fix any issues you might be having. And all in all, that is pretty much it. There really is nothing else to mention other than that. Your only bet is to wait for Instagram to fix your issue and make a report if you can't fix it yourself. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.